for all the people that planned ahead?
Yeah. There's a longer line of people that planned ahead than there is for people.
We're here at Love Your Neighbor Pizza. Be sure to like us on Twitter. Look at that, margarita pizza. Right, there you go. Now just wait 2 minutes. Yeah, they're both 2 meats.
Okay, yeah, eat a pepper.
Almost pepper.
This is Holly with Joshua from Century Public Adjusting, spinning our wheel to see what exciting prizes she can win. There we go. We made it now.
So that's all that matters. How you doing?
Let's see what you get. Oh, you guys not here to be the star. I'm gonna do it. You tell me when.
When?
What does that mean? All right, you get a bag.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a couple things in this bag. All right. We're gonna put some cards and one of these.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put this stuff in here so you can reach out to us if you guys have any questions.
Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
You are very welcome.
Thank you.
Right here, buddy. Good
Thank you,
job
man.
with the camera.
Thank you.
You are
Nice
awesome.
to meet you.
All right, you too.
Yeah. It's a food truck festival with beer and everything. So I met my parents down here. Got gum in my mouth, sorry. So we're gonna go try to find my mom. Dad's trying his pizza. Is it good?
Yep, very.
Looks good. I'm gonna go try to find me some food too. Maybe like a hot dog or something. Hello. Oh, really?
Look at that.
Poochie. Is that the name? I don't know how to do it.
Me neither.
Oh, you know what? Hey everybody. Guys.
It's on your camera.
So we have to take a little break though because we have been out here pretty much all day, and I think this is the first time I've actually sit down, and I'm exhausted. And my wife
My shoes hurt.
and my daughter actually wants to film us doing a film, what do you call it?
Vlogception.
A vlogception. Okay, I didn't know about that, but we're doing it, so cool.
Vlog me, vlogging you.
All right, now I'm gonna vlog her vlogging me. That sounded very bad because I'm dad, and that just doesn't happen. All right, so anyways, they're right, this is creepy. Might have a narrative section over here. I'm thinking it, she said it. I don't know, it's not good. Yeah, we've been here for a while. So we're in Panama City Beach. We just went to the food truck festival at Pier Park, and oh my God, it was so awesome. The only thing I was so disappointed in is they didn't have any Greek food. They did have pizza though from Chicago, and I was very happy. And then to come to find out that they're stationed right here in Panama City. They were so nice, and they let us actually get on the truck and film the process, and it was so awesome. So we're having a great time today. I'm sitting here with Holly. Check out her YouTube channel, by the way.
Holly,
I'll put a link.
Hollye Helms. That's my YouTube.
Absolutely, and there's my wife, who is going to have a crochet channel here soon.
I'm not
so I'll
the
be
wife.
like that. And this is my
That's the work wife.
This is my best,
wife.
yeah, this is my best bud and
This is my
co-worker,
princess
co-partner in DHS Automotive.
Hey.
So we're having a good time down here, and wish you all were here. Ah, look at that.
That guy right there. There you go. Okay.
You want to watch or?